Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Imagine having just $52 in your bank account and a few months later buying your dream car in cash. That's exactly what Desiree from our community did. Now, stick around to the very end because I will be sharing with you this gorgeous car that she got. And in this video, I'm going to share her journey, the exact steps that she took, and how you, my friend, can start creating results just like this. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, studying for my degree in business here in Dublin. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business without having any technical skills, without having any experience or a huge following, without even spending any money on paid ads, just so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Now, if you're feeling stuck, skeptical, unsure if online business can actually work for you, you are not alone. That's how Desiree and thousands of moms in our community felt. And that's why if you stick around to the very end, I will be introducing you to busy moms just like you who are earning a passive income with this opportunity, right? Now, Desiree, just going back months ago, she was overwhelmed, stressed, frustrated, $52 in her bank, bills piling up, debt to pay, and feeling skeptical about trying yet another thing. Because she, like you and me, had tried so many things out there, but there always seemed to be something missing, right? Now, her turning point was when she came across content just like this, and she decided to take a leap of faith. She decided to try one more thing and committed to following our proven step-by-step blueprint. And fast forward to now, she's been able to pay off her debt, quit her job, bought her brand new car in cash, and living her dream life. Now, let me go ahead and share my community with you and Desiree's car with you so you can see what she said in real time. Because really, for busy moms just like you, it's not about having more money, more time. It's really about having a proven step-by-step blueprint and a community of like-minded people who are there to lift you up, support you, help you, motivate you, inspire you to achieve your goals. People like Desiree who are actually changing their lives. So last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, the same blueprint that Desiree used, that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. So let me go ahead and share my screen here. What I'm going to share with you is our bonus site. It's not the actual blueprint, it's a bonus site. Now, here's Desiree, and she posted this here 14 hours ago, right? And she says, dreams do come true. Thanks to this program, spending just $900 one time, we have different packages you can get in where you fit in. When I was so skeptical and had $52 in the bank, she got on a payment plan, and here she is, paid off loads of debt, quit her job, and just bought her dream car. The car she's wished forever but couldn't even remotely afford, and she's picking it up tomorrow, all because of this. So let me go ahead and just yeah, there you go. Brand new car, amazing, debt paid off and everything, just using our blueprint, okay? But the fun thing is, Desiree is not the only one getting this kind of results. But before I share with you other wins in our community, let me just give you an idea of what this blueprint bonus site is all about, right? Now we have 55,000 paid members in our community. If I had any question I could ask, because we have 191 online right now. And if I go to the maps here, you can see this is a global business. We're all over the world. We're in Africa, Europe, Asia, South America, North America, New Zealand, Australia, Malaysia, Indonesia, everywhere. What I love this program is, even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, every single week we get live interactive coaching and mentorship from six-figure mentors. So here's a six-figure mentor mentoring us next Tuesday. We have another mentorship call on Thursday. we have technical calls, we have legacy builder. These calls, you can unmute yourself, ask questions, get the guidance and support you need. Now the classroom is, by the way, you get two apps. One app is the Blueprint, which includes live interactive coaching and mentorship. And the other app is this bonus site, which I'm sharing with you, which you can download on your phone and access from a browser. So let me just share with you some of the tools that we have in here. We have this 30-day momentum where our multi-millionaire for 30 days is taking us by the hand and walking us through step by step to help us grow our social media, right? So here, day 6 today, which I haven't watched yet, is about the power of stories for growth. 7-minute video. She usually gives us actions. Here, pause somewhere. Yeah, so she just gives us she just gives us action steps to take towards the end of the video. Very, very powerful. And if I go back to this classroom here, we just finished a 90-day sprint where for 90 days our multimillionaire sent us a video. This video, the last one, was just 46 seconds long, just congratulating us on completing the 90-day run. So once we completed this 90-day run, we're doing this 30-day momentum growth. We have webinars, weekly webinars, where our multi-millionaire and six-figure mentors do the selling and the telling for us. And these are the tools and resources to help us with that. And then we have mindset training by a hypnotherapist, complete with exercises, mentoring. We even have a content vault that you can download that content and use it on your social media. But let's go ahead and introduce to you some more wins by moms in our community. I didn't realize today was Women's Day. Mary, 3 days ago, another $900 sale. This person kept persevering and wants this opportunity. I'm so hungry. Trust me to help them change their lives, because that's what we learn. We don't bother our friends and family. We learn to attract our perfect customer using social media. Kelly, 18 hours ago, it's a $2,700 day. I left this morning for my two children's volleyball tournament. I made $2,700 before we got home. And she has a picture here with, I'm not sure what she's sharing on her screen. And yeah, that's just the notifications coming in, right? Absolutely amazing. Congratulations. This was the first sale before games even started. Don't quit. Someone needs to hear hope from you, okay? Dreams do come true. That's just Desiree that we actually honoring in this video, celebrating her win. Pamela, first YouTube where I knew what I was doing, and she shares it. Passive income. Caroline, $1,200 in sales. Just made my first sale today. I honestly didn't know what to expect when I joined, but I stayed consistent, followed the steps, and it finally happened. Consistency every day. Desiree, 9 hours ago. I didn't afraid. Michelle, looking for financial wins that don't take too much of your time. Lance, first sale, $100 order. Congratulations. And so on and so forth, right? Margaret, 2 days ago, $900. Today, I had my first ever sale after 7 months and 7 days. 7 is a magic number for her. And so on. Off the grid income. I haven't been glued to my phone except to snap a few memory making pictures. But guess what? My YouTube video has been doing its thing behind the wheels, made $900, right? Now, Wendy is our six-figure mentor who actually did a training on YouTube on how she's making this kind of money, right? So what we have here is a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that anybody can use. You, my friend, can start from nothing, no experience, no technical skills, no following, and you can start to learn the skills to build a successful digital business. Now, you get access to a proven step-by-step blueprint. That's a separate app, complete with live interactive coaching mentorship. You get access to a second app with the bonus, with our thriving community, 90-day runs, mindset training, content vault, the 30-day growth plan that's just started. And this month, actually, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 12 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business so that they can finally fire their boss and get to spend more quality time with their family. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, go ahead and type blueprint in the comments so I can send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula blueprint. I'll deliver this blueprint to your inbox. Check your spam folder, your promotional folder, and respond to my email once you've gone through the blueprint, because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.